David Fishburn here from WireCrafters. Today we are up at Xavier University in Cincinnati, Ohio, taking a look at a very cool application they have of some WireCrafters products. We're in one of their athletic facilities here that used to be the rec center for their general students. They've since built a new building for all of that. So they turned this old building into an athletics department. We've got a pool. Upstairs is some batting cages we'll take a look at in a few. Nice weight room behind us. Variety of other different activities in here. But this particular application we're looking at today is a wire mesh wall that is separating a football turf practice area from their weight room. And this is not a small application. It's 78.5 feet wide and almost 30 feet tall. So above the weight room, there's actually a mezzanine level that has some batting cages for the baseball team, and the cage extends all the way up here. So due to the height of the cage being almost 30 feet tall, it features our upgraded 2x4-inch posts, along with 14-inch long base plates and gussets welded on for added strength. It also features our expanded metal mesh to match some other aesthetics within the facility. In addition to this application here, Xavier University also has some athletic storage that we'll go take a look at here in just a moment. All right, so up here in the athletic storage room now, our wire cages are perfect for a storage room like this because it allows each individual sport to have their own secured cage. I believe up in this room we've got some women's soccer, men's soccer, some baseball, and a couple others back there. But if you had a room like this and you didn't have wire cages in here, this room would just be a cluttered mess. Everybody's stuff will be on top of each other's. Just really great option for separating and securing a room like this. So in conclusion, we've seen two very unique applications today here at Xavier University. If you've got a job in your facility that you'd like us to come visit, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email, phone call, or on LinkedIn.